Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to turn off autopay on eBay. So all you need to do is open any browser and then search for eBay and make sure you're logged into your account here, and then all you need to do is open a new tab and then search for buyer management eBay, because we can't access this page through eBay. So just press on the first one, buyer management. I will be redirected to the buyer management here. So you can see buyer rules. You can see require buyers to provide a payment method before they place a bid. Require all buyers to provide a payment method before they make an offer. Don't allow blocked buyers to contact me. You can simply uncheck these two rules, and then all you need to do is just press on save changes and it will be saved successfully, and that's it. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe, and thank you for watching.